Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi everyone. My name is Puan Siti Amira binti Abdul Rahman. I am one of mathematics lecturer at Mathematics, Science and Computer Department at Polytechnic Mersing, Johor. I here with my teammate Encik Muhammad Amirul bin Amrullah and also PMJ e-learning teams will present to all of you one of subtopic of probability, which is dependent event and independent event. Before we go further to our contents, I hope in the end of this video, all of you should be able to first define the dependent event, second, define the independent event, third, compute the probability of dependent event, and the last one, compute the probability of independent event. Okay, let's look at the definition. What is dependent event? Dependent event occur when the next outcomes are affected by the previous outcome. The number of sample space do change. The keywords is without replacement. Sometimes keyword is not mentioned in text. Now, what is independent event? Independent event occur when previous outcomes do not influence the next outcomes. The number of sample space do not change. The keyword must mention in text, either with replacement or put it back. This is an illustration of dependent event based on diagram. The first jar has 7 candies. Then I pick one and eat it. Now we have 6 candies. This means the total number of sample space becomes 6. This shows that the sample space do change. However, it is a different story for independent event. The first jar has 7 candies. Then we pick up a candy, but then we put it back. So there are still 7 candies in the jar. Hence, the total number of sample space remain the same. Let's take a look at the tree diagram. This is the first example for dependent event. There are 4 green marbles and 5 blue marbles in a bag. 2 marbles were taken out from the bag without replacement. What is the chance of getting green at the first pick and blue marble at second pick? Okay, by showing at the tree diagram, the tree diagram shows 2 events. First event has 2 branches. First is the green branch in value of 4/9. Second is the blue branch with value of 5/9. For the second event, there are 4 branches. Remember, the first pick was a green marble. If the second pick is also a green marble, the value is 3/8. But if the second pick is a blue marble, the value for B or blue is still 4/8 because the first pick was a green marble, not a blue marble. Based on the tree diagram, this is the calculation to gain the probability value of the question. From the calculation, the correct answer is 5/18. From example 2, based on the same situation, let's take a look for independent event. Pay attention, the keyword here is with replacement. In this situation, the marble is not taken away. The marble was put back into the jar. So, the probable value for both events remain the same. That is why the phrase with replacement is important. Okay, from the tree diagram, we can conclude the answer for this independent event, which is 20/81. The conclusion shows the differences between dependent event and independent event. We can see that the answer of both events are totally different.